Welcome to my review of my favorite Proxima watches. This is a PX1683 with this beautiful textured, wave textured blue dial. The chapter ring does not usually come with this dial. The chapter ring is the same color as the dial, but I did have and I asked Proxima for a couple of additional colors on the chapter ring so I can switch them out. This way I wanted to match something with the bezel burgundy red color, so I inserted that chapter ring in there for that reason. It is as you can see, the dial is simply mesmerizing, and I don't really know how they make it, with what kind of milling machines, etc., but it's a very nice dial. It has C3 lume, so it's green lume, and the handset is not from Proxima. I will include a link in there in the description for the handset, but it's a high quality handset with kept seconds hand. Proxima also has similar kept second hands and a very high quality handset. But this, if you will notice, is different from that handset in the sense that it does not narrow down towards the tips, this handset. I will show the usual Proxima handsets on the other Proximas that will come up next. Beautiful bezel action. What I've done is I have put it on this very comfortable FKM rubber strap. I will also include a link here, and if you're interested in good quality but affordable rubber straps, stay tuned to my channel. I will soon do a video for a review of all kinds of different quality price range of straps for your watches. And of course, my usual mod on these cases, I make them 14 millimeters thick. I just take off all the extra bulge on the back, which doesn't serve any purpose other than visual, but makes the watch uncomfortable. This way the shape of the rubber straps follows through. There is no bulge here, no gaps when you wear the watch. So this is one beautiful Proxima. The case is Proxima, the dial is Proxima, the chapter ring is Proxima. The date wheel here is loomed, which is my upgrade as well. This is another PX1683 with a green dial and green chapter ring. The handset is from Heimdallr. As you can see, it resembles the original. Homage is the original much better. And then some other alternatives of this watch, and again I built it myself, so everything came disassembled from Proxima. Obviously you can order this, usually you ordered it assembled, but I wanted to do it myself with slight modifications, such as again a loomed date wheel and BGW9 on the dial. Handset is the dial is BGW9, so is the date wheel, and the handset and the bezel insert are C3. So the bezel insert and handset, they glow green, and the dial and the date will glow blue, and it creates a beautiful contrast during the day. There is no way to do justice to the dial, to its texturing, and even the color. It's just very difficult to convey it in a video or on photos. But again, my favorite green dial. The case, same story as the previous one. I always mod my case like this. The watch is on a crafter blue CB03 strap, FKM rubber strap, vulcanized rubber also they call it, and it is vanilla scented. And I do have to say, I think the vanilla scent is very mild, or even weak. I would say it's not very strong, and I'm not very happy with this strap for the price. But there's not much you can do when you have fixed lugs here like this does. I understand it provides the full, no gap type of strap, very good look, but in practical terms, because this does not articulate, yes, it creates an oval shape which should be and is comfortable around your wrist, but the thing is, this is fixed, so it kind of does create a little bit of hot spots on these sides right here on your wrist. Otherwise, the watch itself, beautiful workhorse NH35 movement, very well thought out and executed case, beautiful bezel action, nice crown action. And if you know a bit about the Proximas, and particularly these versions, Proxima is the only brand that has a collar on their crown, making it very easy to unscrew, take the movement out, make any changes you want. That's very difficult on Heimdallr, for example, or Steel Dive and Eddie's Dive versions of this watch. Again, beautiful. Let's go see the next one. Now, I always say that this is my most favorite Proxima for two reasons. I do have another favorite, but this is a titanium case. So this is my favorite Proxima for two reasons. One being that it is titanium, extremely light, and second, it's a workhorse, a monoblock case, and you can hammer nails down with this basically. And I've done so much hard use, physical work, working with a shovel, masonry, I don't know, literally hammering, well, using a hammer, obviously not the watch, but hammering nails down anything. And I have not been able to put a dent in the watch. Beautiful scratches, it carries history and memories. I guess I do use my watches, I don't baby them, but the dial is a red, let me see if I can show you, it's a patchwork mother of pearl dial. And unfortunately Proxima does not have this dial, but I installed it on this chapter ring, which I had to send down. I have a separate video for this. Again, I have the watch on the same Jualong, I think the name is, if I'm pronouncing it right, but either way I will put a link in the description. These are very nice FKM rubber straps. The watch did originally come with a beautiful titanium 3-link bracelet, which is actually 1 link, but from the exterior side it is made to look like a 3-link. But I have taken it off. Obviously I still have it, but I use it on this rubber FKM strap, and it wears very, very light and comfortable. So this is my summer wear. For the winter I'll change it on the titanium strap. Let's go see the next one. Is another Proxima, which is a favorite as well, and that's why it's on the video. It's a Proxima PX1701 with this transparent dial and sapphire bezel insert, fully loomed. The dial is also loomed, and the detailing and chamfering and polishing and contrasts on the dial as well as on the case is executed to the highest level. Kept seconds hand, PT 5000 movement, beautiful crown action, very slick watch, nicely contoured lugs, as I like. Even the bracelet links are contoured, you see. They're not straight, they're contoured to make a very comfortable oval shape around your wrist. The bracelet does come on the fly adjust clasp, which I believe this is the best iteration of a on the fly adjust clasp that is available on AliExpress or even with micro brands. This is the best execution within the price range. I know Helios makes even a better one. There's a button you push here, etc. But that's basically, you can't get it. Very long waiting lists, etc. So this watch wears again very light with my 7.25 inch wrist, 19 to 20 centimeter wrist, adjusted links. The watch now weighs about 133 grams, so it is a very light watch. Still has a 200 meter water resistance, has a beautiful crown action or bezel action, sorry. Unfortunately the date wheel is not loomed. That's the only thing that I would like to have on the watch. Otherwise I have absolutely nothing but positive things to say. It's a very, very nice, beautiful watch. Kind of dressy, but because of the orange chaptering and the orange coloring on the bezel insert, it's more of a sporty, dressy skin diver. But beautiful. And the crystal is also a bubble crystal sapphire. Very happy with the watch. There are separate reviews and mods on all of these watches that I've done, so you can check that out on my channel as well.